Most Flybridge yachts in the mid 70-foot range top out on space. The Sunseeker 76 yacht does not. Built by Sunseeker in Poole, England. It sits in the current yacht range between the Manhattan 68 and the 88 yacht. Deep V hull throughout, built for seakeeping at speed. Twin MAN V12 diesels on shaft drive. Standard output is 1381 horsepower each, with an optional upgrade to 1529. Top end is 32 knots. Cruise at 10 knots and range runs 500 nautical miles, carried by 1585 gallons of fuel. 77 feet 5 inches overall, 19 feet 6 inches of beam, 5 feet 7 inches of draft. Displacement comes in at 118,140 pounds. The main deck wraps in glass for a near 360-degree view. The Flybridge is owner-configurable, a spa tub, a jet ski crane, or additional sunbeds. At the stern, a mini beach club adds a barbecue grill, fold-out seating, and a rain shower with an extended platform that fits a Williams 445 tender. Forward, twin sunbeds and fore and aft seating complete the foredeck. 4 cabins, 4 en-suites. The galley runs in dark wood and black stone beneath panoramic windows, carrying that glass-wrapped feel below deck. Bottom line, this is a Flybridge yacht built for owners who entertain outdoors as much as they cruise, with genuine class-leading deck space to do it. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.